Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will speak about the protection function which is in the ZIF IRFA. Okay, for example, we will test the overcurrent, instantaneous current from here, from protection, and from overcurrent here. We have instantaneous and time overcurrent. We will start by instantaneous. I have instantaneous here, say stage unit 1 and unit 2 and unit 3. I make unit 1, 2 and 3 is off. I make only unit 1 is on, stage 1. I make it the function enabled or yes. Okay, this is the pickup. Okay, and this is the delayed. Of course, this is instantaneous, so the delay is 0. Okay, this is if you need to make it directionality, but I already make it non-directional, instantaneous overcut. So this is the setting, and now we can test together by the FREJA. Okay, if I inject any phase, okay, the vector is 3 ampere. Okay, and I will inject voltage also. To check back, I already make the first LED to be any pickup. So I will check from the status from LED, first LED, next cyclist. Now nothing is LED. Okay, and we can inject to get the pickup. Now it's come pickup, right? So decrease. This LED is already latched. Only the first one is non-latched. So non-latched here, we come here. Now it's come. So this is the pickup. Sorry, speak because there is another function is already enabled, so I will make all the function off. From here, I make the F4 off, and from here, I will make this off also, and this off. As you see, it's become red. When I send it to the relay, it will return to black. Now everything is good. Okay, now start. Yes, go to the red. Next cycle. Okay, not big. Now we need to increase. Okay. 12 pips, 3.14 or 5, as I remember. Now it pick. Okay, so this is the pickup value. If you wanted to get the drop off, okay, I will just decrease fast. Now is drop off. So this is the value for pickup and the value for drop off. If you wanted to get the straight time, you will must inject by multiply the Z value. So I inject 6 ampere. Okay, I will put the output from contact from the relay to the FREJA to stop the injection. So if I need to calculate the time, I will inject from here. Okay, and the time will be appear here. So because it's instantaneous, so it will be 29 milliseconds. This is how to get the time. Okay, this is for instantaneous over current. If you wanted to check the time delayed over current also, so I will close this function in a continuous and make the time over current in stage 1 also. Yes, we see this setting. I make it yes. I make the pickup at 0.1 and I choose the curve as inverse curve. You have very inverse, extreme inverse, and everyone If you choose, you will get from the equation you can get the exact time. Okay, and choose my TMD or QC table is 0.35. Okay, and I will send to the relay. Okay, if I inject now, you can start for pick and drop off, also for lead 0.09. Okay, for example. Okay, and now inject next cycle. Okay, now increase. Now it's back. The drop off. Now it's drop off. Sorry, I can make it again. Now it's back. Now it's drop off. So this is the pickup and the drop off. Okay, you can select another phase. Yeah. Okay, I guess. Now it's back. And now it's drop off. Okay, okay. If you wanted to check the time, inject double of the value 0.2 for example. Okay, and check from here as my calculation it will take 3.5 seconds. So I already take feedback. Okay, so now it's come 3 seconds 0.520. Okay, okay, and so on for each phases if you want, or you can test the three phases together like that. Make it as three phases. Okay, and let's check the time. It will give you the same 3 seconds and half. Okay, now this is for over current. You can check also the F fault. I will make the overcurrent off. Okay, and make the S fault instantaneous S fault. Yes, it's 1 ampere. Okay, so send. So because I have the connections here is the three because the neutral here is the calculated not measured. I didn't have the number 4 for the neutral. So if I inject it for any phases, it will go direct to the neutral. So for example, if I inject here 1 ampere, okay, you can get the instantaneous fault. You can check the lid. I also make it in the first lid. Okay, now inject. Okay, not big. Sorry, I got the feedback. I will remove the feedback. Okay, and now I will inject. Okay, sorry, I didn't make it cycle. Okay, now it's big. I want to get the drop off. Now it's drop off. If I want to check the flame, inject 2 ampere and put the feedback of the FREJA. Okay, and inject from here. 12 thread instantaneous. So 20 milliseconds. Okay, if I want to check the delayed instantaneous air fault is here. I already make it inverse also, inverse curve, and TMS is 1.1. So I will make it yes, and I will close the instantaneous overcurrent. Sorry, instantaneous air fault. Sorry, yes, here. I will make it now and make it yes, okay. So this is the back from here. Get cycle. Now it's back for drop off. Now it's drop off. Okay. If you want to check by the time, select 0.2 and put the feedback as according to my calculation it will trip at 1 second, so inject from here. Okay, it's already tripped in 1 second. So now we are tested the instantaneous overcurrent and airspool and time overcurrent or delayed overcurrent and airspool with inverse curve. Okay, thank you.